I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start here with a focused checklist. Enable developer options and USB debugging, then install or update Widgetable so you have the latest runtime. Once done, grant overlay and shortcut permissions. These let widgets draw and create home shortcuts. Make sure to turn off battery optimizations for Widgetable to avoid process kills. Now connect to your device or open the app and tap the new widget creation action to begin building. Don't skip permission confirmations because they block later steps. You now configure the widget internals. First, pick size and refresh interval. Smaller intervals cost battery, so balance speed versus power. Next, choose a data source, local intent for local apps, HTTP API for web data, or system broadcasts for device events, and wire the fields. Once mapped, assign tap actions and fallback states for errors. Then use Widgetable's preview and hot reload to iterate rapidly. This lets you validate layout and actions before committing to the home screen. You finish by deploying the configured widget to the home screen. Long press the launcher, pick Widgetable's widget, then select your saved instance. Once placed, confirm data updates. If the widget stays blank or shows stale data, restart the launcher, toggle permissions, and reapply battery exemption. Also check Widgetable's debug panel or run a db-logcat to capture errors. If problems persist, revert to a minimal configuration and reintroduce features one at a time to isolate the faulty integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.